Right, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency, the Governor, like we know, just rose from the inauguration ceremony of the Abia State Pilgrims Welfare Board for the Christian and Muslim faith, for the handover of these wonderful looking APC, which simply means Armored Personnel Carriers, that were so wickedly abandoned by those who should be custodians of government property. And of course, His Excellency the Governor, in his magnanimity, refurbished this for the Nigerian police force for their optimal use for better productivity in combating crime in Abia State and beyond. At this point, it's important that we move the microphone very respectfully to the man who is the brain behind this wonderful work today. His Excellency